Hey travel lovers, want cameras that actually make your adventures look incredible? We've picked the best travel cameras of 2026, from rugged action cams to mirrorless pros and ultra-compact pocket shooters. Let's get into it. This little camera feels like magic when you slip it in your bag. Tiny enough to carry everywhere but powerful enough to nail shots you can't get with a phone. It's got a 30 times optical zoom, 24 to 720 millimeters equivalent. So whether you're shooting a temple far away or a close-up of street food, you just twist the lens and shoot. The 4K video and 4K photo modes mean you can grab crisp stills from video. Great for candid snaps of friends or fast-moving scenes. We can say it's super travel-friendly and perfect for concerts, landscapes, and city shots. Though in low light, it won't match bigger cameras. Smartphones sometimes even do better there. Its flip-up touchscreen makes selfies and vlogging a breeze too. Definitely one of the best point-and-shoot options if you want big reach in a pocket-able package. Check the description for the link to the product. If you want serious image quality with classic camera looks, the Nikon ZF is a wonderful travel companion. It uses Nikon's full-frame sensor and X-Speed 7 processor, giving you rich colors and dynamic images that feel professional right out of the camera. Reviewers say its images shine in landscapes, portraits, and street scenes. You'll see nuance and depth that a phone just can't match. Photographers love this one because it blends retro charm with modern tech, fast autofocus, nice low light performance, and reliable tracking. And the dual card slots mean you can shoot worry-free on long trips. Some users even compare its color output to much more expensive cameras. Heads up, it's not the lightest mirrorless camera, so you'll feel the heft if you're walking all day, but many people say that weight actually helps stabilize shots and feels great in the hand. Check the description for the link to the product. If you vlog, document trips, or shoot smooth-moving footage, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is insanely good for its size. It has a 1-inch sensor that's a big jump from older pocket cams, captures 4K video up to 120 frames per second, and the built-in 3-axis gimbal keeps shots buttery smooth even when you're walking or on rough terrain. Real-world users rave about how this feels like a mini professional rig. Great for quick travel clips, interviews, or cinematic slow-mo moments. The sensor also helps with better detail and low light performance than older generational models. Downside, it's not waterproof without a case like an action camera, so keep it dry around water. But for everyday travel video and quick handheld shoots, this feels like having a pro videographer in your pocket. Check the description for the link to the product. When you think of adventure, surfing, hiking, biking, skiing, the GoPro Hero 13 Black delivers. It shoots 5.3K video and 27 megapixel photos, and its signature hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization makes even wild footage look controlled and cinematic. Reviewers and users note that battery life and stabilization are noticeably improved over older models, which means longer recording on hikes and smoother footage on bumpy rides. GoPros are almost bulletproof in regular travel life, small, rugged, waterproof down to 10 meters, and mountable on everything from helmets to surfboards, which is why travelers worldwide love them. Just keep in mind it's best in bright light. Low light video can be noisier than mirrorless cameras. Check the description for the link to the product. If your travel means rain, mud, waterfalls, or beach days, the OM System TG7 laughs in the face of rough conditions. It's fully waterproof, shockproof, freeze-proof, and dustproof, so you don't have to baby it like a fragile mirrorless camera. It shoots 4K video and detailed 12 megapixel stills. And while the sensor isn't the largest, we can say it's plenty good for travel memories, underwater shots, and macro close-ups of nature. Photographers appreciate that it lets you shoot when others are hiding their cameras in rain covers. A real plus for outdoor explorers. It won't rival mirrorless image quality, but it more than earns its place in trips where adventure matters more than perfect specs. Check the description for the link to the product. The Sony a6700 is one of the best all-around travel cameras you can get right now if you want pro-level photos and video in a mid-size package. Its 26 megapixel APS-C sensor captures crisp, richly detailed shots, and the AI-driven autofocus tracks subjects like a champ, whether you're shooting people, wildlife, or action. Real-world reviewers say it's excellent for travel photography, with great ergonomics and reliable performance, even handheld, thanks to in-body image stabilization. It's weather-sealed, so rain or dust won't easily stop you, and the fully articulated screen is a huge plus for selfies and vlogs. Video shooters will love the 4K 60p and 120p with crop, footage with rich color and smooth motion. Great for travel films or YouTube vlogs. The only quibbles some users mention are menu depth and occasional overheating in very long video sessions. But for most travel needs, this camera feels like a pro tool in a still travel-friendly package. Check the description for the link to the product. That's your guide to the best travel cameras of 2026, from rugged outdoors cams to pro mirrorless and pocket vloggers. Hit the links in the description to grab the right one for your next adventure.